Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about how to make an algebra graph. Now, in algebra, you'll be working a lot with two kinds of graphs, the number line graph as well as the XY coordinate system. So let's talk about the first one, and we'll go from there. Now, with the number line, it's one of the more straightforward graphs to look at because it's just a one-dimensional graph. 0 tends to be in the middle, and then to the right of 0, you have positive numbers that continue on, and then to the left, you have negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, and continuing on the left. Now, oftentimes you'll be using this number line graph to graph inequalities, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or greater than or strictly less than. And you'll be working with open circles, closed circles, depending on the situation. Now, that's for one-dimensional inequalities. Now, for 2 dimensions, you end up creating an XY coordinate system. The x-axis is your horizontal axis, and your y-axis is your vertical axis. And oftentimes you'll be graphing lines, parabolas, things like that, depending on what the scenario happens to be. But basically, when it comes to creating these graphs, you have to figure out what the context and what kind of equation or problem that you have to work with. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's how to make an algebra graph.